sure, and if there should be any change, I'll communicate to you guys. If I'll have to change any, I'll communicate to the group that I have a change of venue because of so and so, or explain to you. But I have to settle with management, and if they promise that this won't happen again, fine. But if this occurs again, then I have to look for another venue because I'm not comfortable cramping you guys up at one edge. You guys are not really comfortable. No AC, no fans to even help situation. So I'll try to be very fast about it. And I really admire your courage. A lot of people will just walk and go. Other people will not be able to wait. But thank you for staying. Let me proceed. Like I said, my name is Silvanus. I 100 plus guider. And by God's grace, I'm aiming at 1,000. You're welcome. So the video you just watched, before we proceed, I'll need to ask, how many of us here are non-members? How many of us here are non-members? Please indicate by raising your hands up.
How do you mean by non-members?
That's your name, participant. Yes.
Okay.
But you intend to, but for now, you're not a participant.
Anyway, this is my first time of coming.
Okay.
I've been registered.
Then you're a participant. Yeah. So, beautiful. Have you been registered, ma? Not yet. No, what I'm saying is, the person that referred you, that asked you to come for the seminar. Okay, then she's proceeding. Okay, fine. Why I'm asking is, I need to know, what were you told about MMA? What message did pass to you that what MMA is? What did they tell you about MMA? So let's know what your views are before we proceed.
Well, my brother told me that something like banking system,
Okay.
where you can bank your money, you pay the interest every time you do business, and you can do something like way back payment.
Okay.
Somebody at Dubai,
Okay.
somebody
Dubai, yes.
told me that the rain is
Okay.
there
Yes,
for
ma'am.
long.
Yes, ma'am.
That he forgot to tell me.
Okay.
I can
Go ahead and do it. Okay, any other view, any other person with a different view, I need to know, so we'll just synergize as we proceed. Or if it is not an agreement, I'll let you know. If it is an agreement, I'll also buttress more on it.
Okay, like my childhood friend, she introduced me, but she didn't tell me it to do. I was asking her if it's a network or something.
Okay.
She said, not actually, that is like a cooperative where you put your money, you donate, and then at the end of the month you get 30%, reward. So I said, okay, that will give a think about it, and she said, okay, if I'm ready, I should send my name, my account details, and all that.
Okay.
So which I did, and immediately I was added to WhatsApp.
Yes, yes.
I think
the group
I've
is
come
there.
across your name.
My name is
there.
Silvanus. Yes, Silvanus. It's there.
And then I went to open. I saw my name there and my other details. But I've
Okay.
not been able to see anything.
Anything else?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you behaved? Have you provided help?
They've not told me.
What
That's
to do?
yes.
Okay. Okay. You're just registered. That's good. Any other view? I'd like to know your mindset so that by the time we are proceeding with the seminar, you see maybe the difference, with your own view, and I will help to guide you guys towards the path so that you guys will really understand the ideology of everything. Yes, my brother.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, my
I was
brother.
very known yesterday. I was introduced about the service yesterday. She
Okay.
called it service. My colleague of mine in the office, he said it's like a financial institution
Okay.
whereby people give help and
Okay.
people seek for help.
Okay.
So he didn't really tell me the minimum aspect of it. He just said we can give it a try with any
Okay.
amount of the choice.
Okay.
That the more amount you put, the more
Better
the
it
more
gets.
better income.
Return, right?
But you don't say at first it's 30%.
Okay.
That after that, if you start bringing in people, as
Yeah.
in if the person, for instance, if I start bringing people under me, there's still some interest
That goes with it.
that goes with it as well. But my question to him was that he himself he's not really sure.
Okay,
Like,
he has probably not attended seminar.
He has attended twice.
Twice, okay. I should
Twice.
have been sure.
So he said,
After that.
I asked him that the money I'll be putting down, is it going to be feasible, or when I just drop it, the money is gone? He said no. Fine, life is a risk.
Okay.
But I should be able to
Know
ask
what is
more
going
questions,
on.
what is going on about
Yes.
what I'm going into.
Yeah.
So I now determined that
I must
be
come to a
today.
seminar and then get to know the the true picture of things. Beautiful. I think I can make with these explanations that you guys have been doing. Well, let me start by introducing what MMM really stands for, what the Triple M really stands for. MMM stands for Mavrodi Mondial Movement. Mavrodi is the surname of Sergei Mavrodi, the guy that initiated this beautiful program. He's from Russia. Initially started in 1989, before 1989. Then, what actually prompted this? The injustice in the financial system. You see the rich getting richer, the banks, we are helping them, rather they are not helping us back. Then, before USSR broke up, when they broke up, a lot of people went out with a lot of chunks of money, to the rich ones, the rich countries, those that were fortunate to be, in power, and then they were fortunate to have the monies, at their disposal. They went away with the monies, and little or nothing was left for the poor, the downtrodden. So he thought about it and said, why is this happening? He is an activist, a very serious one at that. He is very concerned about the poor. So he said, okay, he is a programmer, part of the people that built Microsoft. So he thought about it, went down and said, okay, fine, I'm going to do something for the people. He initially was collecting money into one central account, then it was more like a company. The government saw that MMM was waxing very, very strong. People were now, it was even a 100%, more like 100% that they were getting back, 100% whatever they were putting in. Then it was into one account that they were putting it there. So the government felt that, yes, they had something to hold on to, what to hold him with. They charged him for tax evasion. He went to jail. They set him up, the whole thing, he went to jail. When he came out, he was writing books, a lot of books that he wrote while in prison. A lot of them are really well-known books out there. Some of them, they turned them into poems, some of them, they made use of some of his materials. He came out and I said, okay, fine, you guys have done yours. I'm not going to give up because I have a dream. Now he now came out and said he's going to be a consultant. We set up a program such that all I do is, there's no central account where any money is collected. Now what he does is just look for who wants to give help and then who needs help. He pairs them all together and then they help themselves. So it's a community. Now people might ask, is it legal? I know these questions will crop up in your mindset, in your mind. Is this legal? Are you registered with SEC? Are you registered with, what do they call them? CAC. Now, we have to first determine what makes something legal. First, for you to be registered with CAC. Fine, for you to be registered with CAC, you must be a company, right? An establishment, a business. But MMM is not a business. MMM is not a company. MMM is not a bank. MMM is not MLM. MMM is not networking. Now you ask, what is MMM? MMM is a community of you and me. Now, just like Isuzu, what the normal Isuzu will sit down there, you and me, we just come to agreement. There's no company now, we are not paying into one central account. Unlike some other Isuzu where they pay into one central account. Anyway. But yeah, even Isuzu said, you don't pay to one central account, you just gather and then say, okay, now it's my own turn, everybody give it to me. Now it's your own turn, we all give it to you. Yes, that is the whole. You need to register that with CAC. But it's legal, right? Because it's just an agreement. And there's no law in the world, any country, that is against providing of help and receiving of help. And there is no religion or society or social gathering that is against giving of help and receiving of help. Rather, even the Christian and Muslim, the very prominent religions, they promote giving. And I'm a Christian, so I'll use the Christian analogy. Like the Bible states clearly, give and it will come back to you in good measure, pressed over. That is the principle that is going on with MMM. That is just the simple truth about it. Now MMM, what it does is it just gives you a platform. And that platform is, let me just use this analogy, I will use it every time. It's very interesting for me to use. It gives you a land, a very fertile land. And that fertile land is your PO, that is your personal office. That is your fertile land. Now, you cannot have two lands. That is having two accounts, you cannot. They give you just one. And then depending on the seed you want to plant, they give you a fertilizer being the registration bonus. Now if you are paying from 11,000 to, because of the dollar rate, normally it used to be 10,000 to 100,000. But now from 11,000 to 109,000, you're giving $20 bonus, registration bonus. Then from 110,000 to 600,000, you're giving $50 bonus, registration bonus, which is equivalent to 10,000 naira. They use 200 naira for a flat rate to calculate it. And now if you're registering from 600 to 2.2 million, they give you $100. Now that answers your question. What is the limit? Brother, What's the limit that you can do in a month? In a month, you can do as high in a month. You can't do more than 2.2 million. At once, you could do it at once, or you could do it. You could break it up down, but you can't go beyond 2.2 million. Because we are protecting the community. We don't want to. And please note this. Okay, how many of us use MMM as an investment platform? Okay. You see any other person? Do you see MMM like as an investment platform? Is it investment? Is it an investment?
What we say is an investment.
Sir?
What we say is an investment.
Okay.
When you invest,
Okay.
small and get a little bigger.
Okay. Any other? You have similar views?
Yes.
Okay. But I'll disappoint you. MMM is not an investment. You see, MMM is the only program that will tell you the end from the beginning. Why am I telling you this? Yes, in a way, it is something you're getting back for the effort you're putting. Understand me? Don't get discouraged yet. Don't just listen till the very end. You understand why I say it's not an investment? Now, when you say it's an investment, it becomes a company where you're doing business. It becomes a business that you're doing. Maybe you're using that money to, do buying and selling, or you invest into maybe mines or something with your monies. You understand? And then at the end, you get returns for that. That becomes an investment. That is a business, right? But more like this is not an investment, because you're more like you're donating this money to somebody that needs help. Then the community is appreciating you. It's an earning. You understand me? It's an earning for the effort you put into provide that help to somebody that needed that help as at that time. So they give you that earning. This is the earning. It's 30% for 30 days, for which you're allowing somebody to hold your money, use your money for 30 days. It is given to you out. Thank you very much for allowing some other person to use your money. Now take 30% of your money. You at that time, you request for help, some other person will pay you. You understand me? Please note down your questions. When we are done with the whole seminar, I'll touch all the questions you have, whatever type of question it is. So let me proceed. Now, MMM Global is a self-managed community by participants aimed in providing each other financial help on principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer-to-peer system, no central account. It will not collect your money. Please, I want you to note these things down. You see, the truth is, Mavrudi sat down, structured the whole system such that the government, the institutions, value institutions, they will not have even one place to hold you on to. They don't have anything to hold on to. I'll give you a case of South Africa. South Africa, as I said, they had an issue with the banks, because the truth is, the basic reason why MMM was set up is to fight against the injustice in the financial system. And the financial system is, they are the banks. They collect your money, they use your money to do businesses, and they still charge you for what the money, your own money that you're giving them to use to do business. They don't even give you interest of what money you're putting in there. You go to them for a loan, they tell you to bring collateral, and after the collateral, when you're paying by, say, you still have to pay a percentage back to them. Is that fair? No, it is not. So now the banks now will see that a lot of money should be passing through the banks, but they are not staying for them to use to do their businesses. We still need them, yes, because our money should still pass through that same bank. You just observe that I'm paying money to you, and it won't take long. You're also paying on to some other person again, just passing. You understand? The money will not be passing through their bank. It will not be staying there for like as long as maybe a year or two, like some of us will do. They will just go and put 1 million there. Let's see what it will give us in a month. And you'll be surprised, you put $1 million, how much will it give you? Not even up to 18,000. In a year, you had that money, I'd rather go and buy pepper and sell. I'll make money if I use that 1 million and then buy pepper and sell directly myself. So they are not being fair. But rather you see bankers, they are so suited up. You see them with the nicest rights. You see them well kitted. Well, it's your money. They are not doing you any favor. That is the truth. You are the one doing them a favor. So these are the reasons. But if you are doing them a favor, they are supposed to reciprocate this favor. But they are not. So these are the reasons why I just came up and said, fine. Let me structure in such a way that they will not have where to hold it. If you see this, just read through this. It will not collect your money. That is well structured. No central account. That money still remains in your pocket. Immediately your bed, right from that day you indicate interest to provide help. Your money starts growing. Even while it's in your pocket. There's no program in the world that has ever had this ideology. So he sat down, structured it in that manner, so that, like South African case, when they took them to the court, yes, before I left South Africa, they took them to court. Banks, Capitec Bank, another bank, they connect, they talk to the media too, cause panic to tell people, this is their fraud, they are a scam, they are Ponzi scheme, and the rest of it, all what they want to say. The media, they are very strong, So they use the media, and immediately the MMM participants, they discovered what was happening. They did a mega rally, that the world's attention was drawn to it. The president had to summon the central bank government. Now they took them to court. They could not get even one to they asked, okay, please, where is it in the law? You have your law, please read all your constitution. Where is the law that is against giving and receiving help? And please tell me, if there should be a case, has anybody in the whole of South Africa come forward to the police station and say, MMM has recorded them? Not even one. And that is the truth. Not even one came forward. Then where is the case? MMM won. Now the president summoned the central bank governor. Now, see, these people, we have studied this, there's nothing to hold them on. Please, let them be. There's nothing to hold them on. He says he's even looking forward to a day to meet Seti Mabrodi himself to explain how this 30% is coming from. Because if the majority of, almost half of the population are, because in South Africa, if you're black, or if you're down there, for you to have a property, you must take loan. You can't live but depend on loans. You must depend on loans. So blacks were living very fast at the expense of the downtrodden. So they now MMM now stabilized. Now you see people buying cars, building houses, blacks. Now they had to do a pause because of the panic. They started, people, because of panic, people wanted to start cheating and targeting their money. They had to put a pause for people to calm down, understand what's going on, understand how the system really is, and then they have restarted again. But MMM in any of the 118 countries has never died. MMM has come to stay. They're expanding like seriously. I proceed. Now, MMM Global Community started in 2011 as a new project of Seti Mabrodi in Eastern Europe to create a new fair financial order as a world mutual aid fund community, primarily to help people become financially independent. Speeded up at the very first day of its beginning. Now, this voluntary network is a community of millions of people from many countries worldwide. 5 years of activity since January of 2011. Several billions and dollars assistance provided. Number 1 donation exchange program. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who are in need and those who are ready to provide help with their spare money. Let me keep that. Let me pause there. Please, can we just tell ourselves? Let's just brainstorm on that spare money aspect. Please, can someone just tell what spare money really means to him or her? Spare money.
Yeah, money that you are not using around set aside that you are not going to touch.
Okay. Any other person?
Yeah, it's exactly that. Money that you don't have need of at the moment.
Like this, putting it somewhere.
Okay, any other
Waiting
view?
for what to do.
Okay. Any other view?
I was trying to ask a question. Is there any like spend money at all?
Exactly.
Enough to spend.
There it is.
It's the money you don't want to use at the moment. Not that it is spare. Maybe you're not ready for it.
Yes, ma'am. Let me explain.
Present day Nigeria is not really enough.
I like all you are correct, but I have a different view. MMM has a different view. When you plant a seed, it dies, right?
Yes, it does.
And what happens? It grows up again. MMM is the money you're ready to lose.
I didn't know.
Spare money. Spare money is the money you're ready to lose. Yes, let me explain. Don't. See, what I love MMM is this. It tells you the end from the beginning. It tells you it's the only program that opens everything up to you. Other programs will tell you, no, you have to do this. They don't tell you the risk. They don't tell you what is completely involved. The reason why we always have seminar, that is the reason why it's in 118 countries and it has not died, and it will not die. They are expanding like seriously. Because they are showing you the true picture and they tell you what you have to do to avoid this, so that it's just like telling you to go to heaven, you have to do this, to go to hell. Well, this is it. Do you understand me? So that is it. They tell you the commandments, they tell you this is what you have to do to avoid this. But this is this. At the end, should this happen, this is what you see. But eventually when this even happens, it is not over because you can still start afresh again and then you get what you rightly rightfully deserve. Let me tell you the truth, yes. Ordinarily, as individuals, when we commit our monies, whether spare or not spare, we want something back in return. But we give money to beggars now, we give money to those that come to us for help. They are spare money. Do you expect a return back? No, right? Sir? You see, we have family members that will give money, some money that are spare, It's not as if at that moment we don't have it for them. Yes, but we can do away with it. Yeah, take care of it from them. Take care of it. But in MMM, as you're giving that out, it is coming back to you in good measures, shaking over, depending on how you're starting, depending on, I'll tell you why I'm using this, depending on what your strength is. Now, you see, the minimum you can come into MMM is as small as 1,000. Like I said, the maximum is 2.2 million in a month. The minimum is 1,000. That 1,000 might not limit you. You might not say, okay, because I'm bringing in 1,000, then I'm confined to having 300 at the end of the month. No. I explain how that 1,000 can make you a millionaire as well.